Base of the text, The Flight from Conversation by Sherry Turkle. We make a message, key quotations, and originality of the work.
The central message is that while we are always communicating through digital devices, we are sacrificing true conversation for mere connection. Turkle argues that technology allows us to control our social distance, staying alone together, which leads to a diminished capacity for empathy, self-reflection, and the patience required for real human relationship.
By cleaning up the messiness of face-to-face interactions with texts and emails, we shortchange our ability to truly know others and ourselves. On the illusion of companionship, we expect more from technology and less from another and seem increasingly drawn to technologies that provide the illusion of companionship without the demands of relationships. On digital control, we've become accustomed to a new way of being alone together. Technology enables that we are able to be with one another and also elsewhere connected to wherever we want to be. On the editing of the self, texting and email and posting let us represent the self we want to be. This means that we can edit, and if we wish to, we can delete it, or retouch the voice, the flesh, and the face, and the body. On the loss of solitude, if we are unable to be alone, we are far more likely to be lonely. If we don't teach our children to be alone, they will only know how to be lonely. The shift is impulse. Think of it as I share, therefore I am. Our new impulse is I want to have a feeling and I need to send a text.
The originality of Turkle's work lies in her transition from a cyber optimist to a cultural critic. In the early days of the internet, she praised digital identity, but in this 2012 piece, she provides a groundbreaking psychological analysis of how always-on devices change human nature.
Her unique contribution is that the concept of alone together, the paradox that being constantly connected actually isolated us. She was among the first to argue that the boring bits or real time is pause and silence are actually where we reveal our true selves to one another, and that by automating this interaction, we are losing a fundamental part of our humanity.